점수는 8대0. KBO 리그 데뷔 이후 첫 완봉승 타일러 윌슨. LG 트윈스의 6연승입니다.
I mean, I think that was a really awesome game because we were kind of at a point where it was a really important game, and it was 2-0 through the first 7 innings of that game, so it was a really tough battle. And then we scored, I think we scored 6 in the 8th, but that game was, obviously it's the first shutout of my career here and hopefully more to come, but that was really special and I'll always remember that, but most importantly because it was a great team victory. Even though I lost the win, the team won, and then we've played really well the last couple of games. So that's okay. You know, if I do my job and give our team a chance to win, whether I get the win or we win in a walk-off, doesn't matter. That means I've done my job. So I was really happy for him, especially in that game. Joo-hyun he has worked so hard and he has gotten so much better and fought for the opportunity to start every game like he is. I'm really excited to see other guys pull through in the big moment, because those moments are challenging, and for our team to have a lot of guys that step up in that big moment and pull through, that's a really good sign of our success going into later into the season, into the postseason. When I was in high school, I didn't start pitching until I was like 15. I was an infielder until I was like 15, and when I started pitching, I just needed something to, every inning when I would go out to the mound, I needed like a jolt of energy. So that was my jump to kind of, after sitting down for 10 minutes, to get my blood pumping and get ready to go. So I started that in high school, and then it just kind of stuck. And then when I went away to college, the fans loved it in college, and they called me like Jumper Frog, they called me Frogman or whatever. And so it just kind of stuck, and it's become my thing and just part of my routine. Bulgogi. I think it's delicious. I like pork belly too, but I think bulgogi is delicious. Chicken. Yeah, I've had that before. That's really good too, but the fried chicken here, like this, I don't know, there's a sweet one that has like a sweet sauce on it. Delicious. So I'm definitely the kimbap. I'm not the spice, the rice cake, it's not, that's the only thing that I've had that I like it, but everybody else loves it. It's not my thing. But yeah, it's good. The pork and rice soup. I mean, bibimbap's really good too. But I would say the soup. Maybe Itaewon, because there's some like rooftop like places where you can look out over, and I really like the rooftop scene where it's just kind of relaxed. You can see the sky, and even though we're in the city, you still kind of feel peaceful. So I would pick Itaewon. This is hard too. I mean, Gangnam is home, but Myeongdong is, I love the market there, and we've been to a couple theater shows there, like we went to the Nanta cooking show, and like the market with all the street food, the street food is amazing. So just because Gangnam's home, I'll pick Gangnam. I liked Gyeongbokgung. I think that the palace was amazing. I didn't see the changing of the guard, you know, the thing that they do at the front. I never saw that, but my wife and her friends did and said it was really cool. But the history at Gyeongbokgung, and then there was a museum right next to it too, really had fun there. On River. It's just, it's bigger, it just is, there's the restaurants that are on there, and plus I drive through it a lot more, so Han River. Ooh. Yeah, initially I say KBO strike zone because that's where I am, that's where I'm here, and it does me no good to worry about what's going on in the MLB. Where I am right now is KBO, and that's all I'm focused on. KBO. Ooh, gosh, they're really different. You know, they're very different. KBO batters' contact is amazing. They're so hard they're really hard to strike out. They're really hard to get off balance. And MLB batters just have a little more power. And so I think they're both really good. That's hard to pick. Yeah. KBO, 100%. Peck percent, yeah. Not even close. The best fans in the world. Oh, KBO. KBO again. MLB is nice because you fly sometimes, and sometimes it's nice to fly. It's fun, but KBO is great because it's always the bus. You always know exactly where you're going to be. It's pretty close. It's easy for my wife to travel with me. Hey fans, 사랑해요.